spin them around. They're like, oh no, I'm making mad. Obviously, he didn't like it coming in on it. Right.
Oh, that's great. That's a bonus. Oh, that's either.
That's one.
Yeah, it's all right here, Harold. Get him.
If I want to move a big group like us down this curve right here, right? I'm just by myself, but I want to move the whole. I just move the fire. What we do car escorts and push throughs and stuff like that, or run them into ambulances, and I want to clear the whole road from the side. And then if I want to keep it here, I just speed them up. So, you know, as soon as they're thinking about stepping in the road, I come over here. Now you can see I'm sweating my butt off. He hasn't even thought about it yet. He's doing all the work. So we've been trying to condition our horses in the heat of the day, lunging them and stuff like that, working them, and they've done very well.